Look 10 years more youthful with home cures. Aging is really a natural phenomenon that everybody encounters in existence. It's inevitable and irreversible. Aging is available in two differing types, they are intrinsic and extrinsic. Intrinsic aging is agerelated changes, whereas extrinsic aging is caused because of ecological factors and unhealthy lifestyle. Both in how, producing two vital proteins, bovine collagen and elastin within the skin, slows lower. Your skin begins to show the various aging process. Especially, in extrinsic aging, your skin looks older compared to actual age. Skincare remedies are made to boost bovine collagen production, smooth wrinkles, crow's feetand, tighten loose and sagging skin. Follow these remedies regularly for more than 2 days to create the skin look 10 years more youthful naturally. Rose water and glycerin age reversing facial lotion. Wipe the skin having a cotton drenched in rose water. Combine equal quantity of glycerin and rose water and lightly massage neck and face. Do this every day after cleansing face. Anti-wrinkle vitamin C serum. Take pure vitamin C tablets 2 NOS, vitamin oil 2 teaspoons of and aloe gel 1 teaspoon of, rose water 5 teaspoons of. Dissolve vitamin C tablets in rose water. Combine aloe gel and vitamin oil. Pour the contents right into a small empty bottle. Store inside a cool place. Make certain to make use of within 5 to 6 days. For doing things simply combine a couple of drops of the serum for your regular moisturizing night lotion or cream. Using it regularly for during a period of time helps make the skin look more youthful naturally. Papaya and honey wrinkle smoothing natural massage cream. Scoop out 2 teaspoons of ripe papaya pulp right into a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of honey and mash using the rear of a spoon. Cleanse the face completely, take a tiny bit of this paste in your fingers and massage neck and face inside a circular, upward motion for 510 minutes. Soak a cotton pad in cold water and take away the paste within an upward direction. Rub a piece of ice and apply moisturizer.